You're not lonely. You're just optimized for swipe fatigue. Stop blaming your love life on a bad haircut or a lack of confidence. Modern dating isn't romance. It's algorithmic matchmaking with more anxiety. And yes, the developers are laughing at your emotional breakdown. Let's destroy the first sacred cow. The old-school romantic scream, just go to a bar, delusional coping mechanism. That strategy collapsed when demographic velocity hit the marriage market in 1995. Now, your social circle is just a localized server with terrible ping. Then the tech optimizers step in with their force projection nonsense. They claim data science can engineer a soulmate. Skill issue. You think an algorithm cares about your childhood trauma. It cares about retention metrics and ad revenue. Your emotional bandwidth is just a KPI they are maximizing. Welcome to the marketplace. Every profile is a product listing. Your bio is the copywriting. Your photos are the packaging and the swipe. That's just a /B testing your self-worth in real time. You're not choosing a partner. You're stress testing a UI. So why does it feel like a hostage negotiation? Because the system is designed to keep you in the lobby. Infinite scroll isn't a feature. It's a containment protocol. You're not browsing. You're being farmed for attention economy yield. Don't give me that just be yourself brain rot. Authenticity is a luxury good in an optimized ecosystem. When you show up raw, the algorithm flags you as low engagement risk and buries you. You want visibility. Play the game or stay invisible. Pick your poison. Let's talk about the real constitution of modern love. The terms of service. You didn't sign a contract. You clicked I agree while half asleep. That's a constitutional loophole wrapped in a dark pattern. They own your data, your preferences, and your hope. This is narrative warfare disguised as connection. Every match is a micro-deployment. Every ghosting is a strategic retreat. You're not dating. You're running covert ops with emotional collateral damage. And the casualty count, your sleep schedule. You try to optimize. You tweak your bio. You angle your jawline. You learn the meta. But optimization is a trap. Goalposts move because the goal isn't a match. The goal is your engagement. You're not solving the puzzle. You're the puzzle. Here's the brutal truth. Machines don't get tired. Humans do. But the app doesn't care about your burnout. It cares about session time. So you keep swiping, keep matching, keep disappointing yourself. Because the alternative is facing the void without a buffer. The romantics will call me a cynic. The cynics will call me a realist. Both of you are wrong. You're just arguing over the color of the cage. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed since 2004, to monetize your loneliness. So what's the play? Delete the app or keep playing, but stop pretending it's fate. It's friction, it's a market. And you're the inventory. Wake up or keep swiping. The algorithm doesn't judge, it just calculates.